Kuchako.
Okay, open.
Mini, money mo. Kaya mini, money mo. I need this. Open it here. Si Amarin may ganito din eh.
Sino nakuha niya?
Si ano? Ito.
Si Pompom po rin.
Dapat nigat niya siya.
Pero sino gusto niya?
Gusto niya si Cinnamoroll. Tapos niya yung si Kurami.
Okay, okay.
Ay. Okay. Kiddie meal. Saan pupunta si Papa?
Meron na.
What's that?
What you got?
Melody. Oh, Melody?
Yeah, it's Melody.
Yeah.
Finally, we got
We got-
Melody.
Yay! It gets Melody the time. When who got subscribe when I got her. Okay?
Okay.
I got this and this. Is it a heart? Yeah! I like hearts.
Okay, next. Open the other one.
Meron pa
Ba't
dito.
mo lang dito para makita siya? There you get si Melody.
Isa lang?
Pang-lock yan.
Di ba dalawa yun?
Go. Isa naman.
Okay.
Dito mo para makita si Melody. Okay na, nakita mo.
Okay. This one. Turn. Oh. Wait. I will close my eye. And who is it?
What?
It's Kuromi!
Oh, Kuromi. Kala ko Melody ulit. Wow, we got Kuromi, bro.
And we get this one. Look like a skeleton.
Skeleton.
And we have
We got,
this Kuromi and Melody.
yes. Finally. Last time we get 3 Pom-Pom-Porin and 2 Cinnamoroll.
Yeah!
Right? Now we get this one. Melody.
I like
And
this.
we got,
I like this. I
Kuromi.
like this. I like this.
we gonna give, Amari 1 Cinnamoroll.
Yeah. Amari don't want the boy. The
Yeah.
yellow one. Because it's for boys.
Okay, what will you say to you?
Bye, guys.